how to buy Bitcoin on KuCoin. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So if you don't have an account on KuCoin, go and you will find a referral link down in the description. You can create an account on it and fund it with some USDT in order to buy Bitcoin. So after you create an account on KuCoin and fund it with some USDT, what you need to do after that to be able to buy Bitcoin, go here and search, as you can see, and write BTC. So you will be able to see appear here, as you can see, the Bitcoin and USDT. You can click view more. So as you can see here, you will see a lot of more pairs here. So make sure to select the spot from here. So after that, as you can see, make sure to select the BTC, not BTC3S or BTC up or any kind of that. So make sure to select one of these BTC. So BTC DI, BTC BRL, BTC USDC. If you have USDT on your account, select the BTC USDT. If you have USDC on your account, select the BTC USDC. If you have one of these coins here, after BTC, select it. So if you have an USDT, click on BTC, this pair. So after that, what you need to do is easy and simple. Click on buy here and click on limit or market is the same. So if you click on limit, as you can see here, if you want to set how much of USDT of the amount of Bitcoin, so you can select how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see here, because I don't have any fund of USDT, I can be able to see how much I will be paid. So after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So after if you click on market, you can here set how much percentage you want to use of USDT in order to buy Bitcoin, or you can just type how much you want to buy, as you can see, and here you will be able to buy, click on buy Bitcoin. So this is how to buy Bitcoin on KuCoin. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.